Friends, before we study, let's pray together. Pray start.
Dear
Dear
God, please
God,
bless my soul,
my
and my
teacher and my friend, little assistant, let's
God. Namaskar.
we will
Namaskar. Thank you so much,
get today.
Gerani.
Dear God.
So, students, are you ready?
Ready.
Okay. So, if
Go, go.
if your connection is stable, yeah, you can turn on your video. But if your connection is unstable, please let me know. Yeah, leave your message on the chat room. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
So here there are 44. Yeah, already 44 students. Okay. So today we will discuss the first one. We will discuss listening that we have done last week. Yeah. So last week we have some listening activities. Yeah, that is for our warming up. Yeah. Okay. Because last week also some student asked me, Miss, I already answered it correctly, but why I get only not the score is not not perfect. Yeah, why I still get
He or she expected.
not perfect score. Yeah, so let's check together. Okay. So I will open the Google form first. Yeah. And then let's answer together. Yeah. We will listen to the audio and then answer together again. Okay. So now can you see the
Listening exercise? Yes.
the screen? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let's click berikutnya or next. For the class, I will choose
5A.
yeah 5A. Okay. And then for the name, I will borrow James' name, but I will not submit it. Yeah. Next. Okay, so the instruction is listen to the audio carefully, then choose the correct answers. Okay, yeah. Let's click the audio.
Diana Rose is a dentist.
Okay, is it clear? Sudah jelas?
Very clear.
Yes, Miss. Very clear.
Okay, so let's listen first and then answer.
Diana Rose is a dentist. She is very beautiful. She has got green eyes and blonde hair. Her husband Tom is a handsome man. He is a doctor. They have got 2 children. Their names are James and Linda. The boy is 10, and the girl is 8. They have got a Japanese car. Their apartment is in London. There is living room, a kitchen, 4 bedrooms and a bathroom. They are happy in their apartment. Diana Rose is a dentist. She is very beautiful. She has got green eyes and blonde hair. Her husband Tom is a handsome man. He is a doctor. They have got 2 children. Their names are James and Linda. The boy is 10, and the girl is 8. They have got a Japanese car. Their apartment is in London. There is living room, a kitchen, 4 bedrooms and a bathroom. They are happy in their apartment.
Okay, so that is the listening audio. Yeah. Let's answer it. What is her name?
Her name is
Diana
Yes,
Rose.
Diana Rose.
Rose.
And then
Her job.
what is her job?
Her job is a
Her
dentist.
job is a
Dentist.
dentist. Yeah,
a dentist.
dentist. Good. What color is her eyes?
Green.
Green. Okay, let's play once again. To check.
Diana Rose is a dentist. She is very beautiful. She has got green eyes and blonde.
Okay, green eyes. Yeah. Good. And then what color is her hair?
Blonde.
Yeah,
Hair.
blonde. Yeah, do you know
I
blonde?
don't know what blonde hair is.
Blonde.
Blonde hair
Blonde
itu
hair is
pirang.
pirang. Yeah. Kalau mostly like some people from like European, yeah, they have blonde hair.
European.
Jadi blonde itu pirang
Europe.
ya, yang warnanya agak kekuningan
From Europe.
like
Europe.
that.
Kuning
Yeah,
itu kan
blonde.
Kayak rambut bule.
Yeah.
kayak rambutnya Elsa.
Ah, yeah, Elsa. That's the perfect examples.
Elsa yang
Okay.
Husband.
Kami
Who is Tom?
Kami
Tom is
husband.
yeah, her husband. Good.
Duh.
Yeah, the husband. What is Tom's occupation or Tom's
He is
job?
a doctor.
He is a doctor. Good.
Doctor.
And then how many sons and daughters do they have?
And one daughter.
Okay, good. They have one son and one daughter. Yeah, but in the video, yeah, in the video said that they have got one boy and one girl. Yeah, so here the question is how many sons and daughters. So you should
One.
know, yeah, son is anak laki-laki, daughters is
Anak
anak perempuan. Yeah, good.
Yes.
What is their son? Their son's
James.
name? And how old is he?
10 years old.
Okay, yeah, good. Yeah, James, 10 years old. Next, what is their daughter's name and how old is Linda? Be careful, yeah. Ada Linda juga, but the age is 10 years old.
Okay,
Yeah.
never mind. Don't.
Yeah, the correct one is 8 years old.
Yay.
Okay, and then do they have a Spanish car?
No, they don't.
No,
they do not.
They do not.
They do not.
Yeah, good. And then where is their apartment?
In London.
Their apartment is in London.
London. It's far away.
Which statement is correct?
There are bedroom and a bedroom.
Okay, what room is for? Bedrooms
Bedroom.
or
Bedroom.
bathrooms? Bedroom. Yeah. Okay. Here, on the answers, yeah, I switch the position, yeah, because in the video, the first room that the video said is not the bedroom.
Her husband Tom is a handsome man. He is a doctor. They have got 2 children. Their names are James and Linda. The boy is 10 and the girl is 8. They have got a Japanese car. Their apartment is in London. There is living room, a kitchen,
Okay.
4 bedrooms and a
Living
bath.
room, bedroom, kitchen, and 4 bedrooms.
They are
Okay, good. Yeah, we already answered it correctly. And then the last, are they happy? Live in their apartment?
They
are. Yeah, please don't choose yes, they are
are.
not. Is it yes or not? Yeah.
Yes, they are.
Okay, good.
That's
That's cool, yeah. So all of you have answered it well, yeah, as the warming up of listening activity. Jadi lumayan ya untuk pemanasan listening ya. Okay, because today we will have listening again, yeah, other listening activities, and for these exercises, I will take the score as the assessment. Jadi nilainya ini akan Miss Rus ambil dan Miss Rus nanti akan masukkan ke daftar nilai. Ya, so please answer it carefully ya. But before we answer the listening, yeah, so I would like to give like introduction, yeah, what topic that we will listen to, yeah. Jadi anak-anak will be easier, yeah, you will be easier to answer the listening exercises. Okay, so let's see what is our topic for listening today. Okay, maybe one of you, do you like science maybe?
Yes, I love
Yes.
science.
Okay, or do you
1000%.
like physics?
I don't know
Science.
what that is.
Science and physics.
Oh, physics. Like it's
Physics,
kind of like
yeah.
science, right?
Although
I
we are
think
in the
I'll take it a 50%, I think.
we are you are not studying physics yet, but in science, yeah, physics there is biology, physics, and chemical, yeah.
Wow,
So
I love
biology is about makhluk hidup, yeah, living things, and then physics is about non-living things. Jadi fisik itu tentang membahas benda-benda yang tidak termasuk makhluk hidup, ya. And then chemical is like bahan-bahan yang kimia, ya, seperti itu. So you can ask your teacher later, ya, mungkin nanti bisa ditanyakan untuk lebih lanjut.
Siapa itu lah?
Yes.
Siapa itu lah?
Who is lah? Please.
Siapa tuh lah?
I don't know.
Please do not use the chat, yeah, out of the topic.
Daya.
The chat is used only for asking permission.
Siapa itu?
sore.
Siapa tuh, Men?
I don't know.
What the?
Okay. So now, yeah, please don't use the chat for talking out of the topic. Okay, I
No.
think lah is already changing the name.
What?
Yeah.
Lah.
Okay, so
Lah.
I will lock, yeah, so you cannot bring in yourself again. Silakan block saja daripada mengganggu. Okay. So, okay, back to the explanation, yeah. So, chemical is about tentang hukum-hukum kimia, yeah, like that. You can ask your teacher letters, yeah. Maybe in your junior high school, yeah. You will learn more about biology, physics, and chemical. So,
Physics. What physics do you mean?
fisika. Yeah, okay. So, today, yeah, I will show you a scientist, yeah, a physician, yeah. Jadi seorang fisikawan, physician. He is really famous, yeah, but I don't know. Maybe any one of you already know him or not, yeah. So let's see it together, yeah.
You know Einstein?
Okay, this is.
Oh, I know him. I know him.
I know.
Do you know Stephen Hawking?
I know.
Don't know what.
If you don't know, it's okay. Yeah.
I am so confused.
He has this ability.
Okay.
I've read
So.
it inside the English book.
Yeah. So next 2 weeks, our topic is about reading comprehension, and we will read the text about Stephen Hawking. Yeah. So this is the introduction for you. Yeah. Who is Stephen Hawking? Okay. So Stephen Hawking is a scientist or physician. Yeah. That have so many invention, banyak penemuan, ya. Kemudian he also writes some books, ya. So he put his his thinking on the book. Yeah. So let's see more about Stephen Hawking. Okay, so Stephen Hawking was born on January 8, 1942. Ya, sebelum Indonesia merdeka ternyata sudah lahir. Ya, in what year is Independent Days of Indonesia? Tahun berapa?
1945.
1945. Good. Ya, so
1945.
1945. Yeah, and then Stephen Hawking was born before the Independent Days of Indonesia in Oxford. Do you know Oxford? Where is Oxford?
America,
I've heard of it a lot. Like
Yes.
Oxford
is America.
Okay, yeah. Maybe anyone of you wants to study at Oxford one day?
What is Oxford? I don't know what
Okay.
Oxford is. That's why I
is
can't
university.
University, okay.
Okay, so Oxford, yeah, you can search in Google later, yeah, what is Oxford? Yeah, University of Oxford. That is really famous.
I want to study in Harvard, but I'm too dumb.
Lots of things.
Yeah, I hope one day you can do it. Yeah. So he was born
One
during the World War II. Yeah. So it is a difficult time. Yeah, World War II. And then his parents' name are Dr. Frank Hawking and Eileen Isobel Hawking. So her parents, yeah, like his father is like also
Dokter. Bukan dokter.
not doctor who
Yeah, I
cures
know,
the
but
people.
yeah, we know itu kayak
Is it a scientist?
Yeah, like a scientist too.
kayak singkatan belajar gitu kan. Habis sarjana apa nanti jadi dokter.
Yes, that is not the doctor who cares about the patient,
sick
yeah,
people.
but the other doctor. Okay, the next, his family was known as a unique family, yeah. Why? Because they always did an eccentric branch. Yeah, the eccentric branch of his family is like they eat food while reading the books. Yeah, so they eat food and then read the books, yeah, to get more knowledge. Yeah, because like his parents is also clever and smart. Yeah, so he was grew up in that family. Yeah. So early in his academic life, ya, dari pada awal masa akademiknya, he was not an exceptional student. Ya, so the meaning is like dia hanya murid yang biasa-biasa saja, ya. But he had shown his passion in science. Tetapi dia punya passion, ya, di science. Okay, he likes science so much.
Like
Passion,
gitu ya.
like
Like the
ketertarikan, ya, minat, like that. Patient. Okay, so when Hawking was young, yeah, he loved to climb and skate. Okay, so now unfortunately, at age 21 years old, yeah, he got diagnosed with ALS disease. Yeah. ALS disease. Jadi before he was diagnosed with the disease, yeah, at that time he was skating with his friends, ya. Jadi dia dulu tuh sempat kayak skating sama temennya and fall down, ya, dan jatuh. Saat itu dia tidak sadarkan diri, dan kemudian setelah beberapa hari kejadian itu, ya, jadi dia merasa ada yang berbeda dengan dirinya, ya. So when he goes to the hospital and the family doctor check him, ya, so he was diagnosed with ALS disease. Jadi ALS disease ini adalah make the patient could not stand and speak, yeah, so he should sit on the wheelchair. Although he was sick, he never gave up and always worked hard. Jadi dalam usia yang sangat muda ini, ya, waktu itu he was diagnosed, he can live until 2 years. The next 2 years. Jadi kayak umurnya tuh cuman hanya ada 2 tahun lagi bisanya. Ya, karena sudah didiagnose ALS-DC. Jadi ALS-DC ini kayak menurunnya kemampuan saraf-saraf gitu ya untuk berbicara ya. Jadi seperti orang yang lumpuh. Like that. Ya, and also he did some surgeries. Jadi dia sudah melakukan banyak operasi-operasi ya sampai akhirnya dia memang sudah tidak bisa berbicara. And then you can see on the picture, ya, like this. So he only sit on the wheelchair, ya. And then the way he communicate, ya. Jadi cara dia berbicara dengan orang, like on the wheelchair, he has the spatial wheelchair, ya. The wheelchair with the sensor, the sensor, so he can communicate with that wheelchair. Jadi wheelchairnya itu buatan Cambridge ya. Jadi waktu itu dia dibuatkan wheelchair khusus untuk dia. Jadi dia berkomunikasi bisa dengan menggerakkan otot-otot pipinya. Wow, ya. Jadi kayak penemuannya saat itu sudah lumayan bagus sekali, ya.
Agak lumayan lagi dong.
Ya, sudah canggih ya. Jadi dia bisa berkomunikasi dengan menggerakkan otot-otot pipi. Jadi makanya dia agak ke kanan gitu karena ada sensornya di sebelah kanan. And then nanti ada layarnya. You can search on the course book ya, ada gambarnya, or on the Google. Okay, so nah this is the book that really famous. Yeah, that is made by Stephen Hawking, ya. Oke, jadi the theory of his book is about black holes and relativity. Ya, do you know black holes? Maybe
Yes,
you.
of course.
Yes, of course.
Nah, jadi so that is
Absorb anything,
Black
including
holes.
light.
and relativity ya, hukum relativitas.
A lot of
Yeah.
channels.
So
Yes.
we still didn't know what is inside the black holes, what makes the black holes, like that. So he has the theory, Big
remains a
Bang
mystery.
theory, still a mystery. And then he passed away on March 14, 2018 in Cambridge. Yeah.
Yo, I was
Yeah,
only
he already
first
passed
grade.
away. Yeah.
I was
3
I
years
was
ago.
born.
Yeah.
3 years ago.
Okay.
Oh my god.
And then so this one is some like his history ya. Okay. Or like this. Ya, 1942. Nah.
Sekolah
Ya.
itu di Oxford, Inggris, bukan
Iya,
Amerika.
tempat Oxfordnya in English, but the Oxford University is different. Ya.
What the
Jadi
block?
dia ini sangat lucky ya, because ketika umurnya 21 tahun didiagnosis ALS ya, jadi dia dinyatakan akan hidup cuman punya waktu 2 tahun lagi.
2 tahun, cuman akhirnya sampai lama
Ternyata
loh.
ya, dia bisa bertahan hidup sampai 76 tahun. Wow.
Oh my
Yeah.
god. That doesn't make any sense.
Okay, so that
This
is
story
about
is so
Stephen Hawking.
It was
Okay.
made.
Benar-benar hoki orang.
Hawking.
He was made to
Dibilang sama pihak rumah sakitnya 2 tahun lagi, tapi
Yes.
segitu aja.
berpuluh-puluh
Yeah, but
tahun
he can
ternyata.
live until his age is 76. Yeah. Okay. So I hope the story of Stephen Hawking can inspires you, to motivate you
course.
to learn
No.
more and more,
Right.
diligently.
No.
Okay. So now, I will share the link of listening exercises that the
Come
scholar
on.
will take it
On
as
GF, please?
assessment. Yeah, on GF.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ya, jadi supaya lebih aman Miss pakai GF. And di sini Miss Rus also
Wait a
will
second,
put,
let me take my phone.
okay, Miss Rus will put also the link of YouTube audio. Maybe some of you cannot listen to it well. Jadi beberapa murid mungkin ada yang bilang kayak waktu ini Miss tidak terdengar suaranya. Jadi Miss Rus kirimkan YouTube-nya juga, ya. So now please check your chat room. Nah, nanti ini Miss Rus will put also in the LMS. Nanti Miss Rus akan taruh di LMS juga untuk link listeningnya. Tolong diinfo ke teman-temannya juga ya. Ya, mungkin teman-temannya ada yang tidak join hari ini, so they can also do it. Oke, silakan diklik, dicek di chat room. I will mute you all now. If you have any question, just leave your comment on your chat room. Oke, silakan diklik chat roomnya. Ya, di sana sudah Miss Rus kirim link exercise, link respon, and also the link of YouTube. Okay, so for the time, I will give 10 minutes for doing the listening. Okay, thank you for our students who have finished answer the listening exercise. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So please inform your friends, yeah, who didn't join today's meeting. Yeah, to answer the exercises because I will take the score as assessment. Yeah, as you know, English have 4 scores. Yeah, the first one is speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Yeah, so please make sure your friends also do the exercises. So here, yeah, there are 44 students, yeah, 44 students, but in the responses, only 32 students who have submitted. Okay, so if you cannot do it now, yeah, please let me know and then do it at the evening or afternoon. Oh, not afternoon. In the evening ya, yang mau kerjakan nanti sore bisa, ya. Okay, so I will also announce you information about speaking activity next 2 weeks. Jadi next 2 weeks itu kita akan punya speaking activity ya. Jadi Miss Rus akan kasih topiknya hari ini ya. So you can prepare yourself well. Okay. So first of all, let's see the slide that I have prepared for you. Jadi apa sih tentang listeningnya? Okay, so this is about the listening. The speaking, ya. So the topic is about describing people. Ya, describing people is mendeskripsikan seseorang ya. Only one people. Okay, one person only. Yeah, you don't need to describe all of your family members. No, yeah, only one. Yeah, choose. If you want to describe your family, choose one. Your father, maybe your mother, or your sister, your brother, your grandmother, grandfather, your cousin, or your aunt, your uncle. Yeah, just choose one only. And then if you have best friend, maybe you can also describe your best friend. Yeah, it can be friend, only one. Yeah, favorite idol maybe, or favorite artist, favorite scientist maybe. Yeah, or maybe Stephen Hawking is your favorite. Yeah, you can describe him. Yeah, or favorite athlete. Yeah, as we know, we just have Olympic 2020. Yeah, so maybe you have a favorite athlete. Yeah, because she or he get the gold medal. Yeah, in the Olympic. Yeah, it can be. Yeah, so you can choose one only. Ya, jadi satu saja cukup. So, yeah, the thing that you should say in the describing people is about physical appearance. Ya, jadi fisiknya kayak gimana? Misalkan apakah dia punya rambut yang panjang, pendek, or black hair, short hair, straight, or curly, or wavy. Ya, that is the physical. And then you can tell also like the listening last week Diana Rose she have got green eyes karena dia orang dari luar bukan Indonesia, so her eyes is green or black or brown kemudian hidungnya mancung mungkin, or have small lips, big mouth that is physical appearance apakah dia tinggi, apakah dia pendek that is physical appearance jadi secara fisik seperti apa dia. Kemudian you can also tell the birthday Oke, jadi anak-anak bisa ceritakan juga tentang birthday-nya, kapan dia lahir and then the hobby maybe he or she have more than one hobby it can be hobbies Okay, and then Number 4 is the fun fact. Fun fact is like, oh, ternyata dia itu sukanya seperti ini. Ya, ternyata dia itu selalu suka pakai kacamata hitam, for example. Misalkan mendeskripsikan artis ya, favorite artis. Oh, fun fact-nya dia suka pakai kacamata hitam. Or fun fact-nya misalkan dia selalu memakai baju berwarna biru, for example. Ya, jadi itu bisa ditambahkan atau bisa juga ditambahkan favorite food, favorite drink, or favorite pet. Ya, if they have pet. And then the last is wishes or closing statement. Jadi wishes or closing statement ini ya kenapa people that you describe is being your favorite. Kenapa? Ya, kenapa bisa favorit dengan favoritnya itu ya, kenapa bisa suka like that ya. And then so you will say it minimum 10 sentences and maximum 20 sentences ya. Jadi anak-anak bisa tulis dulu, you can write it first ya, silahkan ditulis dulu rancangannya kira-kira 10 sentence, kemudian diingat atau dihafalkan ya, and then next 2 weeks, 2 minggu lagi baru kita akan mulai. Karena next week you will have activities about Independence Day. Jadi minggu depan itu adalah kegiatan tentang kemerdekaan HUT RI. Jadi 2 minggu lagi baru kita mulai. Oke. Nanti all of this explanation I will put it on the LMS. Nanti Miss Sus akan tambahkan section di English tentang listening and speaking. Jadi di sana anak-anak bisa cek. Ya, slide ini juga ada di sana. Okay, so here I give the examples of the video. Ya, jadi let's watch it together. Kita tonton sama-sama videonya, ya. Okay, is the sound clear for you? Jelas ya? Okay. Describing people, my favorite idol. Hello friends, my name is Rus. Today I would like to tell you about my favorite idol. My favorite idol is Siwon Choi. He is a member of a K-pop boy group named Super Junior. He is also multi-talented. He was born in South Korea, April 7th, 1986. He is 35 years old now. He has an oval face with black hair, black eyes, pointed nose, small lips, and dimples on his cheeks. He is 183 centimeters tall and handsome. He likes to eat spicy food. I adore him because he is attractive and funny. In addition, he is a UNICEF ambassador for East Asia Pacific in 2019. I do hope to meet him one day. Thank you for listening to my story. Okay, so that is the examples ya. Jadi contoh yang Miss itu kurang lebih akan itu ada sekitar 15 sentences. Jadi itu ada 15 kalimat ya. Oke, diingat. Jadi nanti 10 sampai 20 kalimat. Oke. Miss, can you give me the link of LMS of this subject? Oke. Nanti Miss Rus akan cantumkan di LMS ya, sebentar setelah the class finish. Miss Rus akan tambahkan di LMS ya, nanti dicek yang bagian English, kemudian nanti Miss Rus tambahkan subnya listening. Semua link exercise and link the video I will put on the LMS. Okay? Okay, so do you have any questions for that? You can also ask your friends, yeah, who didn't join the meeting. Okay, you can unmute yourself if you have questions.
Describing the where can we find this video?
Adore itu apa, Miss?
Adore itu
itu kayak-
mengagumi ya, atau bisa kata simpelnya itu like. I like him because of what? Ya, I like her because of what? Ya, tell
Miss
us.
gimana? Berarti itu videonya itu di LMS English ya?
Ya, tapi Miss Rus belum cantumkan sekarang. Setelah ini langsung
Nanti
Miss Rus
di,
cantum.
di 12 Agustus atau apa, Miss?
Ya?
Nanti kiranya di 12 Agustus LMS English-nya atau
Oh,
gimana?
bukan. Nanti di bawahnya 12 August itu Miss Rus akan tambahkan listening. Ya, jadi bisa dicek di sana.
Miss,
Oke, yes.
what if you don't have any favorite idol or athlete
I don't have
or
any
artist?
favorite idols. What do I
Yeah,
do?
you can tell one of your family member.
Or
Aha.
bestie. Best
Yeah,
friend.
best friend it can be. Yeah, that's just
Oh.
example. Okay. Any question again?
Then we'll family member.
So nanti Miss Rus akan tambahkan subhalaman di bawah 12 August ya, listening. Yeah, after this class finish, I will add it.
Thank you.